Red. It's Hayley here, and what we're going to show you today is a quick, cheap Christmas quilt. So you'll be able to see what's in the box now as we show you through it. So this is the Yappy Christmas blocks quilt. So I'll show you what's in this box. So as you can see, a lovely picture there demonstrating what's in the box on the front. So inside, you get the quilt panel itself. So it's very easy. So this is the quilt block itself. So this is what you start with. You have your wadding for the inside, and you have your yappy dogs back in there as well in the red. Okay, and then we've also put the lovely star fabric in there for you to do your binding, and a matching thread as well. So there is two options available with this one. So there's, like I said, the red back in there with the yappy dogs, or as you can see on the finished one here, this is what it turns out like. You've also got the option online as choosing the grey on the back as well. Okay, so that's what it turns out like. It's absolutely lovely. It's easy to quilt. You're just literally quilting the blocks with the wadding and the backing, and then putting the binding on by hand. All right.